Good morning, Jack. How's it going? Alright, so today we're gonna put some bird food on the tree right there so the birds can. I know you want to eat it, Jack. I know you want to eat this, but this is not for you to eat. It's for your friends, the birds. Let's put this here. Wait, give me a second. Come on, buddy. Wait. No, you cannot look. You smell it. Smell it. That's it. Come on, get down. Get down. Let's hang it here. Where was it that I had it? Here. Let's hang it right there. There. The birds will come, they'll eat it. You know what? No, it might just fall. This is better. Right about there on this one here. This one. There we go. That's good enough. That's better. What happened, Jack? Huh? What are you here? You looking for something? What was that sound? That was a weird sound too. What was that sound you heard? It's cold. He's looking for something. He heard something. What happened, buddy? Huh? Yeah, look, it's up there. Huh? Looking for something. What is it, Jack? Huh? What are you looking for? Huh, buddy? I know, he's looking for something. Jack is looking for something. Look at the birds. They're starting to fly in now. So he, let me give it a close up. Wait, guys. Yeah. Right there. They know I brought food for them. Yeah, come over here. Come. Yeah, good boy. Stay. Stay quiet. Alright, they're just waiting for Jack to move. There we go. Let's take it. I love nature. Look at them all there. Like, they knew I put food there. As soon as I put that food there, they all came by and said, hey, there's food here. There's food. Yeah. There's food, but we just gotta wait for the human and the dog to just leave so we can be able to eat fine. You know? Where are the other ones? Look at this one here. Flying. They're all flying. They're just waiting for me to get out of here and so they can start eating. Let me just move back a little bit more. Now they want to feast on that. Look, see, I move back. They get closer. There. I don't have to. Come on. Jack, come here. Come on, buddy. You gotta let them eat. You gotta let your friends eat. Eating. Look, they're all there waiting for us to just, for both of us to just leave. So they go eat. Let's go inside, buddy. Come on, inside. Inside. Yeah, let's let them eat. I gotta fix this. Look what Jack did. Look at that. He broke this. I gotta fix that. Let's come here. Hey, Jack, come here. Come on. Let them eat. Jack, here. Jack, wait. Inside. Come on. Inside, buddy. Come on. You gotta let them eat. I know you wanna play with them, but come on. You're a dog. They're just birds, you think. See? Ooh, they're all that. What happened, Jack? Things I'm gonna play. Look. Oh, she left. Let's see who else is around here. I just haven't seen the squirrels. It's been a while. I haven't seen them for like a few days. Nature. Who doesn't love nature, man? Nature is the most beautiful thing in the world. Summertime comes, I'll fix all this lawn, the grass, I'll make it nice. You're gonna just watch a video about me fixing all this up, turning it into like a beautiful place for Jack to play, run, and for the other animals too. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video.